having the right tools for basic home improvement projects doesn't have to cost a lot of money. Matt Blashaw, host of Money Hunters on the D.I.Y network, is here to show us some of his favorite stuff. You got some new gadgets this morning.
I am totally portable.
Right, look at that thing.
This is great stuff. Well, I hope this gets you excited about home improvement. All right?
Yeah.
Some new stuff. I'm going to start you off with the expanding work table.
All right.
All right, looks like a briefcase.
Yeah, I saw this thing in the studio yesterday, and I thought, what on
Pick it
earth?
up. See how lightweight that is.
Well, that's pretty good.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
All right, so you know with sawhorses, you got sawhorses,
right.
and then you're fumbling around.
Sure.
This, just like that.
Whoa, whoa.
I'm like David Blaine.
At least.
You pull up the lock,
right.
Okay, and you're ready to go. This holds up to 400 pounds.
Serious?
Uh-huh. And you also got
right,
clips.
Let's just say.
That's good. All right. That's good. That was good. I was going to get on with you, but then that would be bad. That'd be horrible.
How about that?
We got clamps. You can do vertical and horizontal clamping.
Okay.
If you want.
Right.
And this is great. This runs about $80. You can find this for at the big box stores. Yeah.
Not bad. How cool is that? And the whole thing just folds right up.
Folds right up. Walk away with it to your next job.
Well, like it now. What's this deal?
Now this is a step stool as well as a toolbox. All right, so put it down. This will give you, go ahead and step on that. Gives you an extra foot up. Yep. Like that. Nice grip on it. It's good. You look good up there. All right. Excuse me. Yeah.
I'll get down.
You did it illegal. It was illegal.
That's right.
All right.
You can't do that on the corner of 59th and 5th.
No.
I forgot.
But what's inside of it, it's a nice toolbox. And why I like this, what's really cool is that it's nice and deep.
Yes.
All right?
Yep.
And this has, room for all your glues, spray paint, as well as all your tools.
And about 1,000 different sized washers that you'll never use
again.
That's right.
But this can run you about $30.
That's
Not
good.
bad.
Both of these are really good. We like them a lot.
All right. Well, I got some other things for you in here. This is a light.
Right.
This is called a light mine, an LED light mine. So come over here. Let me show you how this works.
Okay. I was looking at this too. I like this.
This is 12 high-powered magnets.
Right.
All right. And they stick to anything metal. You just point it into the direction of your workspace. Sure. And you're ready to go. So like, let's say your breaker goes out.
All right.
Stick it to the side of a breaker like that. You can work on your breaker.
Right.
You can do stuff with like under the sink. If you want to use your car, if you're changing the tire.
Well, you should have one of these in your car in case, in the night, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And this will run you about $7. I think this is fantastic. Put on one of your tools. Okay. Awesome.
Okay.
Well, let's come back over to the toolbox over here.
What else you got in there?
All right, this is...
Well, I'm very curious about this.
A laser measuring tape.
Wow.
It's called laser tape.
Uh-huh.
Pretty easy to do. We got our wall over there. Okay. You turn it on. It reads, and it points you right into the direction. What does that say? 7.3. 7.3. So we know we got 7'3" from there.
Isn't that something?
You don't have to pull out a tape. Yep. Really easy to do. Sure. And this will run you about $20. Huh. All right. This will calculate volume too. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
That's
like
way
you were
beyond me.
Yeah, that is. Yeah, you've got to do your algebra if you want to do that.
Well, they made a tape measure even better. All right. This is the 4-in-1 tape measure. All right. So you open it up. You got the calculator. Right. How many times do you make a measurement, go to cut it, and you forget what you're doing?
Well, you need a little post-it in there.
Little something, put on your measurement, pull it out, and then two, it's got an LED on it to read your measurement.
This is pretty cool. How much is that?
Nice? This runs about $15.
That's pretty cool.
All right, not bad at all.
Like that.
Now, I know you're into caulking.
Yeah, I know. The last time you were here, we were like caulking up like crazy guys. Yeah.
Well, you do one caulking. You usually do small jobs, and you have the rest of the caulk left over.
I know, and it sits there. It sits there in the garage, and it gets all hard. And
check this out. Right. GE has come up with caulk singles. This is great stuff. $2. Let me show you how this works. Come on over here. All you do is you tear the top. Right. Even I can do this. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Squeeze together the paper like that together. Okay, all right. Okay, and then just put it right into your opening. Look at that. It really works. You don't even need your finger. That's very nice. Look at that. $2. That's good. You toss it away. That's good. No big deal. I like it. No waste. I like it a lot. That's fantastic. All right. Now, have you struggled with the door?
Boy, you know, when you take the door off to paint it, or if it needs to be sanded, it's all kind of warped and everything, and it's time to put it back up there, then what happens?
Yeah, and then you're fumbling with it. And
you jam your fingers in there. And
babies cry.
That's all
toast
bad.
burns.
It's all bad.
All right.
Yep.
Let me show you how this works. This is called a door jack.
Take a look at this. This is cool.
And this goes on the bottom. You get your door just like this.
Right.
Usually this can actually hold up to about 260 pounds.
Wow.
All right, which is nice.
Okay.
Pop it right underneath like that. All right. And so you just bring it up with your foot.
Right.
Right. So now you
can
have
actually
your other hand
pull the pin.
To pull the pin.
Right.
Put it into place. Pop the pin in just like that. And you're good to go. Just like that. 20 bucks. 20 bucks. Yeah.
Man. You got anything else, or is that it?
No, I don't have any more rabbits in my hat. Yeah, no more.
That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Penn and Teller and David Wayne got nothing on you, buddy.
Well, I appreciate it.
Really good stuff. Thank you. As always, Matt Blashaw.